Namaste. So today's our topic is neuron. So let's start. What is neuron? Dendrites. We have studied the neurons. Neurons are the basic unit of the nervous system, which transfer the information or the signal from one body part to another, and also it connects us from the environment. Dendrites receive signal. The body cell integrates signal. The axon transmits action potential. The myelin sheet make the signal travel fast. Synaptic terminal transmits signal. So you can see the synaptic terminals bring the signal from the other neuron. Then dendrites receive the signal from the other neuron. Then the cell body integrate the cell signal, coordinates metabolic activity. Then action potential starts from the axon. You can see here. Then axon transmits the action potential. Then myelin insulate the axon speed conduction. Then synaptic terminal transmits signal to the other neurons. Then dendrites of the other neurons. So you can see this whole. This is the two cells. You can see the lower is the dendrites and upper is the neurons. Then the resting potential. So the resting potential, using active transport, the neuron moves sodium ion to the outside of the cell and potassium ion to the inside of the cell. So it maintains the concentration of sodium and potassium. Large molecule in the cell maintain a negative charge. So you can see there's the resting potential. You can see the extracellular fluid, and then the neuron cytoplasm with negative charge, means the large molecule of the cell maintain their negative charge. Then action potential, on receiving a stimulus, sodium gate and potassium channel open briefly, allowing these ions to diffuse. The gate close and active transport restore the resting potential. So it is the duty of the action transport to restore the resting potential of the cell. Then synapses. Neurons usually do not connect direct to one another. A gap called synapses controls the transmission of the signal. So you can see here the synapses gap, which is present, which control the transmission of the signal. Neurotransmitters cross the synapses and stimulate the next neuron. So you can see this, how the neurotransmitter, which are yellow color, is going to the other neuron, ion channel closed, and they capture the information or the neurotransmitter. So you can see this diagram. Then some neurotransmitters are, let's see what are the neurotransmitter and where they locate and what is their function. Like acetylcholine, location is neuron to muscle synapses, function is activate muscles. Dopamine, midbrain, control of the movement. Epinephrine, sympathetic system, stress response. Then serotonin, brain, pons, medulla, mood and sleep. Endorphin, brain, pain, mood, pain and reduction. Nitric oxide, brain, memory storage. So let's see the information processing. There are four basic operations. First is determine type of stimulus, signal the intensity of stimulus, integrate response from many source, initiate and direct operation. Type of stimulus, wiring pattern in the brain determine the type of stimulus. Area of the brain dedicated to specific sensory signal are connected to the nerves that connect to specific sensory organ. Cross sensory effect, a poke in the eye stimulate the optical nerve producing visual effect. Intensity of the stimulus, intensity equal to frequency of the action potential. So you can see here that how it works, the gentle touch fire slow and silent or silent. Second, then moderate touch, fire little more rapid than silent. Then strong pressure, fire very rapidly and fire slowly than the silent. So you can see this. Then integration of the stimuli, convergence. Many signals arrive through many neurons, but several may pass their signal to a single connecting neuron. Such cell may be decision making cell that may determine an appropriate output. Directing operation. Neuron pathway consists of sensory nerve neurons, association neuron which receive signal from many sources, motor neuron, effector muscles gland. So these are the directing operations. So hope you will understand this video. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.